In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not letting me move images. We will walk through a couple of quick checks so you can get your design moving again. First, check if the image is locked. On your Canva design, click once on the image that refuses to move. When the image is selected, you should see a highlight or outline around it, and a toolbar appears either above the design or along the top of the screen. That toolbar only shows when an element is selected, so if you do not see it, click the image again until it appears. Now, look along that toolbar for the lock icon. It usually looks like a small padlock. If the padlock appears closed or filled in, that means the image is locked in place and cannot be dragged or resized. When an image is locked, dragging it will feel like nothing is happening, even though you are clicking it correctly, which can be confusing for beginners. Click the lock icon in the toolbar once to change its state. If it was locked, the icon will switch to its unlocked look, often an open padlock. The outline around your image stays, so you know it is still selected. As soon as it is unlocked, try dragging the image to a new spot on your canvas. You should now see it move smoothly, and you can also resize or rotate it again. If the icon already showed as unlocked, leave it as it is and we will try the next check. Next up, unlock the page. Sometimes Canva does not let you move an image because the entire page or the background behind your elements is locked. This can happen if a template came with a locked layout, or if you or a teammate locked the page earlier so things would not shift accidentally. With that in mind, click on an empty area of the canvas where there are no elements, or click near the edge of the page. You may see the page outline appear, and a toolbar will show options that relate to the page or background instead of a single image. In that toolbar, look again for the lock icon. If you see that the page or background is locked, click the lock icon to unlock it. The icon will change to its unlocked look. After unlocking, try clicking your image again and drag it. You should now be able to move it freely because the page no longer holds it in a fixed layout, and any background image will also be editable again. By following these checks, you unlocked your Canva image or page so you can move images around your design again. If this helped you get your images moving, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick Canva fixes.